Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, today I want to run through with you guys the latest release from Hot Wheels. There are box set, the premium display box. I have my pen knife ready for you already, right? That's the display box, and also the latest Boulevard set Wave L. Okay, those are the code. GJT, that's the code for Boulevard. GMH, that will be code for the premium box set. Okay, so this time really a little bit sudden, if I can use the word, because the BMW, I don't remember seeing any teaser for it. So I'm gonna go straight to the BMW one, right? I don't remember seeing any teaser to it. So I've already actually got this out because it's actually quite a couple of days ago already, and I haven't managed the time to actually unbox it. So yeah, some I already unboxed and settled some pre-order because I do pre-order as well. Yep, I'm not just a collector, I'm also a seller now. Kind of a collector turned into a seller for the past couple of years already. And these went out to those that pre-order already, and finally now only I've got time to actually look at it. So this is actually something that yeah, I didn't see, I don't recall seeing any teaser, and suddenly it's out. Okay, so it comes with a free flyer. Okay, the BMW M2 2016 M2. Okay, and then the M3 E46. All right, and this would be the new casting, the M5 E39. So I think from these four cars here, right, this four vehicle here, I think the one that people really look forward to was the M5, because that's a brand new casting. And let me just position you guys slightly nearer to the light. I have yes, I managed to arrange a set of lights here. Let me just adjust it a little bit more, hope you don't mind. So yeah, most of the time I do live unboxing. Okay, whenever there's any new arrivals, I try my best to do live and Facebook live unboxing over at Collectors Cube on Facebook. Okay, and yeah, and if I have any extra stocks available, right, it will be managed through them as well. So do hit them up if you're looking for something that you see in my videos. Okay, so this one I have already gotten it out of the box actually. So we'll look at the fleet. Can we look at the fleet flyer first? teaser. So this is a fleet flyer, pretty standard, nothing new exactly. But the M Sport, that will be new. I believe this is the first time. I don't recall any other release using this brand. Using the brand, the M Sport brand. Okay, with the BMW logo. It looks a little bit. Okay, I don't recall BMW logo being like this. Correct me if I'm wrong, because usually it has that black ring, right, rather than a white, or is it transparent? So it appears on both sides. So if you do know the story between of you know why this logo is different from the usual BMW logo, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, and while you're at it, right, please help me hit the like button, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so that's a free flyer. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this aside because we're gonna get to the Boulevard later. We're gonna we're gonna lose those, because that I haven't loosed yet. But before we go there we go. This is the M5, the E39. So this is, man, look at that. This is, what a beaut. This is actually very nice. That is actually printed on. Okay, the grills are printed, the headlamps are all printed. I'm about to say if it's out of line, but I don't think they are, because from the front it looks quite alright. It's just from the top, see how you get that a little bit, but I think on the real car you will see that as well. Okay, very nice fog lamp details as well. I really like how they managed to pull off the kidney grills. Okay, alright, we go to the side view. Look at that, very nice, very nice on a grey 5-spoke. Man, shit. very nice actually, very nicely done by Hot Wheels. Very nicely done by Hot Wheels. I don't know any other brands that has done this E39. If you do know, please do let me know in the comment section below as well. I'm just wondering if Hot Wheels would be the first one. Side mirrors, yep, Hot Wheels did the side mirrors on this. Okay, and of course it rolls very well. Okay, so that's the M5, the M3, E46. This is another casting that I actually collect. I don't recall it appearing in. Okay, yeah. I didn't get the all these rubber bands. All these rubber bands are actually from the box. Okay, so I find it strange why it's so tight. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there because I want to quickly move on and show you the Alfa set, the Alfa Boulevard. There's something that I was looking forward to take out from the car actually. Look at that, look at this detail up here as well. So well, can I say back in the day, I don't know if I can say that, yeah, previously Hot Wheels with white paint, yeah, there's always issues. There's paint chip, and then there is dust, there's black dots, black paint on it. This one seems fine, this one seems really nice. See how it really, the printing really stops at the groove. You do get a little bit of an overlap, but it's actually quite okay. It doesn't, yeah, it still looks very nice. Look at that, look at how the wheels are slightly out, right, but it still does look quite good. This one probably is because that, yeah, I'll just leave it there. Okay, all right, so this is the M3. See, look at the front view of this thing, man. This is actually very nice. Oh, this angle, this would be one of the best angle, I think. Okay, and this, oh, look at that. Okay, all right, so that's M5, M4, and there we go. This one has that rubber band a little bit, so I'm just gonna pull it off. This will be the M2. So what they say is this would be the least favorable release from this box set. Okay, the M2. I think it's still very nice. I don't recall it appearing in a premium line before, so this could be possibly the first time it appeared in a premium line. The M2. It has appeared a couple of times on the main line, actually, on the basic car. Okay, so number 2. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Damn, really, yeah. There was a point in time where I almost stopped Hot Wheels, stopped collecting Hot Wheels, but I'm quite glad that I didn't stop. I'm quite glad that I didn't stop because they are really making very, very nice cars. Okay, so I'm just gonna place them there right at the edge of the camera. Just pan it down a little bit more. So we'll go to Boulevard Wave L. Okay, so this one I don't have an additional set out of the box yet. So I'm just gonna very quickly open one on camera. So if you haven't hit the like button, please help me hit the like button, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. So number 53, Holden Monero GTS. I believe this would be first casting. Let me just zoom out, right? I think I got it. Yeah, I got it on zoom. Okay, I believe this is the first casting. Probably gonna be very, very popular in Australia, the Holden brand. Okay, I'm not so familiar with this. If you do know more background to this, right? I'm gonna make a guess. That this actually is an American car. It's just that in Australia they rebadged it to Holden. I'm just gonna make a guess, okay? Because if you do know more details to it, please do let me know in the comment section below. Cool. Alright, so I'm wondering if there is any other name to this particular car. Okay, that's number 53, and this would be it. Oh, the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti. Oh shit, look at that artwork, man. Okay, I'm definitely looking forward to lose that. Second casting, the Corvette Z06 Drag Racer. This is another one. It's only the second time it's released. Signed by, oh man, I forgot his name, sorry, Alex Okay, probably this is what his car looks like right now. Oh, okay, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm just not gonna I don't think I'm gonna try because I don't want to pronounce it wrongly. If you don't know how to pronounce it, if you can type it out for me, that would be great as well. This would be another crowd favorite, the Mercedes 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. Oh, the pig. Nice. Okay, that's number 54. And number 52, 2020 Toyota GR Supra. So this is, I would say, on the road to be one of you know, legendary car, jointly developed by BMW and Toyota. Okay, same base as the Z4, Z4, and yep, the Supra. Okay, so yep, let's just get it all out. Okay, gonna tilt it a little bit more. Okay, can we do? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go by number 51. Okay, the Corvette. Just put it aside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So just a quick mention. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. Those cars that you see me unboxing, right? Those are all at my own Virtu Toys expenses. Okay, but I do collect them. I do quite like to collect them loose. I used to be a card collector, but I am still a card collector. I just collect them a different way. This is how I collect. This is how I collect cards now. Okay, so that's the artwork. Okay, and then they have improved the blister design as well. It has a proper cover. Okay, here we go. Ooh, very nice. Very nice graphics. Speed Society. The driver's name. Okay, and here we go. This can be removed. Just a little bit tight. I can't recall how to remove it. Is it from the front and then from... Yeah, from the front. Oh man, look at that. So this is plastic. Okay, hard plastic, because it still needs to be suitable for kids to play. It's still 3+, okay, so yeah. So imagine for a 3+ toy with this amount of detail. That is actually very nice. You know, I'm going to leave it out like that for a bit. Sorry, I went off camera a little bit. Okay, that's actually very nice. I'm going to park it there. Okay, so that's the Corvette. I'm going to speed up a little bit more. Number 51, and then we have number 52, the Supra. Okay, and very nice Toyota colors, basically red and white. Okay, the Gazoo racing colors. Okay, I can't recall. I think I've already done a quick story on Gazoo racing with the Mini GT Supras. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Gazoo racing branding on top, on the wing, Toyota logos down here, and Toyota Research Institute. Nice. Very nice for Hot Wheels, actually, for their price bracket. Very nice entry level, you know, especially for kids to start collecting. 53, the Monero. So I know the Monero name is legendary, if I can say that. Okay, but I don't know the story well enough to actually tell you guys. So if you do know more story to it, right, you can let me know in the comment section below. Okay, this is the 1973 Holden Monero. I like the orange. Oh, look at that. I love how glossy it is. I can't talk about a car, so I'm going to talk about paint and aesthetic. Oh man, look at that. There we go. Look at that. Look at yeah, see, with bright colors the details really stand out. The door panel. Okay, the details here, I guess is opening to let go pressure from the wheel arches. Okay, look at that. Nice, very nice. Okay, then that's the Monero. And then number 54 would be the 300 SEL. Okay, this is another one that I would definitely collect. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think there's only 3 up till now, which is June 2022. I think only 3. One in Boulevard, and was it 2? Oh no, I got mixed up with another casting. Oh man, look at that AMG logo. Oh, look at the AMG logo on the windscreen, on the fender. Oh, look at that Seika logo at the back as well. Oh shit, look at that, very nice details. I quite like how this bottom finishing translates to that view from the back. I wonder what's that. Is it a real part? Is it part of a diffuser? If you do know, please do let me know in the comment section below as well, okay? Right, oh look at that, that's very nice. That is actually very nice. They did attempt the windscreen wipers. It does look like it's really very chunky, but still very good attempt. Very good attempt. Look at that. Look at the pic staring back at you, eh? Nice. Nice. Okay, and then we go to the Alpha. Okay, here we go. Alpha. Right, here we go. This one. Yeah, hang on, almost there. Almost there. Give me a sec. You can fast forward if you need to. Okay, that's the card artwork. Okay. And then oh, check that out. Look at that. Damn, bro. Oh shit. I'm gonna zoom in to let it focus on the. Oh man, it's a freaking Hot Wheels. Look at that. So it's printed all around. Headlamps are printed. They attempt to print the logo as well. Beautiful, just beautiful. And then go to the side. Skirts from the base. Front would be on the mold itself. The back bumper as well. Ooh, look at the twin pipes behind, the massive pipes at the back. Look at that. I still love it when they do a separate piece for their spoiler. Luckily they really do away with a single piece die-cast spoiler as well. They'll make it look crazy chunky, so this one looks really very nice. Okay, we go to the top view. Ooh. Grey color roll cage inside. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. Okay, some stuff going on the base as well. Made in Thailand. Okay, cool. Nice. Very nice. So my number 1 would be, I think, the Alpha. Number 2 would be the Benz. Oh, shit. That is a crazy ass good release week. Seriously, man, that is a good week, a really good week. Okay, cool. So that's it for this time around. Yep, I gotta run. So thank you so much for watching. Do look us up on Facebook, okay? Collectors Cube, that's QBE. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.